वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। You can repeat after me. अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
रामः रामौ रामाः
रामः रामौ रामाः
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः हरिशब्दः
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः हरिशब्दः
हरिः हरि हरयः
हरिः हरयः
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गुरुशब्दः
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गुरुशब्दः
गुरुः गुरु गुरवः
गुरवः
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पितृशब्दः
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पितृशब्दः
पिता पितरौ पितरः
पिता पितरौ पितरः
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः कर्तृशब्दः
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः कर्तृशब्दः
कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः
कर्तारौ कर्तारः
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः एतद् शब्दः
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः शब्दः
एषः एतौ एते
एषः एते
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
मकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
अयम् इमौ इमे
इमौ इमे
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः तद् शब्दः
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः तद् शब्दः
सह तौ ते
सह तौ ते
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः किं शब्दः
मकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः शब्दः
कः कौ के
कः कौ
These four, etad idam tad kim, these are the pronouns. Etad idam tad is demonstrative pronoun and the kim is interrogative pronoun. When you form a sentence, Yeshah Arihi, Yeshah Ramaha, Yeshah pita, eshaha karta. You can form like that. Similarly, etau kartarau, etau pitarau, etau ramau, etau hari, etau guru should match with the vachanam. Understand? We saw this. In terms of vibhakti and vachanam, it should match. That is why this notation is given. The numerator stands for vibhakti, denominator stands for the vachanam. Eshaha Harihi, suppose if you say, it means this is, yeah, this is Hari, one Hari, only one person is there. If two person, the name Hari are there, then Etau Hari, you have to say, not Eshaha Hari. Similarly, Ete Harayaha. This abhyasa, this practice, we have to do, and that's what we are going to do. We started reading anyway. Yes, up to this we saw in the last class. Eshaha Ayam kaha, ayam balakaha, ayam ramaha, then ayam shishyaha. From here onwards we will read. Ayam shishyaha is there. Ayam is idam shabda. Pratipadikam is idam. Akarantaha pullingaha idam shabdaha. Idam shabdasya pratama vibhakti rupam ayam. Pratama vibhakti ekavachanam is ayam. Shishyaha is akarantaha pullingaha shishya shabda. Shabdaha. So ayam shishyaha, this is a disciple. Imau shishyau, ime shishyaha. So in all the vachanam, we can do. Okay. Now we will do that. Remember, when you form sentences, use the pronoun and the appropriate vachanam that should match with the proper noun, which is the adjective here. The adjective is the proper noun. The visheshana is this pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. Ayam shishyaha is the, if you suppose you want to ask who is this, ayam kaha you have to say. Ayam kaha, you have to ask, ayam kaha, who is this? Okay, that also you can add. Ayam kaha, ayam shishyaha. Imau kau, imau shishyau. Ime ke, who are this? Ime shishyaha. Can you all follow? You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Ji.
Kaha kau ke, ayam imau ime. 3 words are there corresponding to 3 vachanam. Ayam imau ime. Similarly, kaha kau ke, match with that. Ayam kaha imau kau ime ke, like that. So you ask question and then answer, right? Okay. I hope you understand. The first person, Yajnapiraji, please do.
Namaste ji. I have to start from I am Shishyaha.
Yes, yeah. I think we left there in the last class.
Yes.
Ayam kaha, you can say, start. Ayam kaha.
I am Kaha. I am Shishyaha. Kau. Kau Shishyaha.
No. Imo kau. Okay. This page you can take a printout. You can either write it or you can take a printout. This is a simple one. Already you have it. You can write it. With this, you can easily save. If you have this page, the sheet in here with you.
Yeah, I have written.
Written is better. Instead of taking a printout, you have to write it. Yes.
Imau kau. Imau Shishyau.
Good.
Ime ke. Ime Shishyaha.
Correct, Ji?
Yes.
Yes.
The next person, Nakoshi.
Yes, Guruji. Ayam kaha. Ayam chalakaha. Imo ko. Imo chalako. Ime ke. Ime chalakaha.
Good. Next person. Neelamji. Chalaka is driver.
Ayam kaha, ayam alayah, imo kau, imo alayah, sorry,
No, Alayav.
alayo, ime ke, ime alayah,
Alayaha. Like Rama Shabda.
alayah,
Not Alayaha. Alayaha.
alayah. Okay.
Next person. Those who have not done Rama Shabda, I mean, the Shabda which I guess, so much, please do it. Only when you do more and more Shabda, you get the familiarity and the grip. Next, Akanksha ji.
Yes, Guruji. Ayam kaha, ayam acharyah, imau kau, imau acharyo, ime ke, ime acharyaha.
Okay. Is it difficult to do this exercise?
No, Guruji.
No, Guruji.
No, Guruji.
No, Ji.
Okay.
No.
If it is, I think we will come back and do this. Up to this, we have done. Then the next one is with the other Shabda will come. So we stop here, this document. Again, you will come back. We get some familiarity with this simple forms and then come back and do this. Okay. Just now, I'll show you the document. You can read. Just read. Okay. Next person, Kirti.
Yes, Guruji.
No, not that one. You can. I'm showing a different one.
Huh.
You can see the picture. Let me explain that.
Okay.
Prathama Pataha. Yeshaha Saha. That is Pullinga. Yesha Sa Strilinga. Etat Tat Napumsakalinga. Oh, okay. This now Strilinga forms are also there. We have not seen Strilinga so far. Doesn't matter. You can do also. It's not a big thing. This is easy. This lesson. This PDF. We can just read this so you will understand. Then we'll go back to the lesson, that Word document, and continue. Now let me explain this. Yeshaha, we know. What is Yeshaha?
Asia
This.
is
What is the Pratipadikam?
Etad.
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 So Yeshaha is Pullinga or Srilinga or Napumsakalinga?
Pullinga.
Pullinga.
What vibhakti, what vachanam?
Pratama
Pratama
Vibhakti.
Pratama
Vibhakti.
Vibhakti
Ekvachanam.
Ekvachanam.
Ekvachan.
So Yeshaha is Pullinga of the Etat Shabda, Pratama Vibhakti Ekvachanam, right?
Yes.
Saha,
Yes.
what about Saha?
That.
Saha is,
That.
What is the Pratipadikam?
that.
Tad.
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 So
Tad.
Saha is what linga? What?
Pratama Vibhakti.
Pratama
Pratama
Vibhakti.
Vibhakti.
Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam
Ekvachanam.
of the Pullinga Shabda Tad, right?
Yes.
Eshaha Saha. Now similarly, Esha. What is Esha?
Asia
You
is
can guess.
Strilinga.
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 Etad.
Esha is Strilinga. You see the screen at the top. I think all of you can see. Eshaha Saha. You can see the cursor. Esha. What is its Pratipadikam? I have not taught you. Doesn't matter. You can. Pratipadikam is
Etad.
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 the same Pratipadikam Etad only. For Pullinga, it is Eshaha. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Eshaha. For Srilinga, etat shabda, the form of etat shabda will be esha. Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam not given. That in the lesson it is not taught. Don't worry, we are going to see that later. So remember, esha only you remember. That is enough. Now, Srilinga form, esha alone you remember. Similarly, sa is sa meaning, see, esha meaning this, referring to objects or persons or things which are feminine gender. Esha, like eshaha, esha. Similarly, sa meaning that, referring to the objects or persons or things which are feminine gender. Sa balika means she is a girl. That is a girl. That's the meaning. Sa also, pratipadikam is tad shabda only. Tad shabda. Dakarantaha, strilingaha, tad shabdaha. Pratama vibhakti is sa. So, esha sa. These two more words you need to remember. Understand? Can you all follow?
Yes,
Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Remember this. So,
Yes.
what is etat?
E-
That is
That.
Napumsakalinga.
not that. It is this. Etat is
This.
this.
Is that. This,
Tat is
this.
that. Tat is that.
Yeah.
This also etad is a pratipadikam. Takarantaha napumsakalingaha etad shabdaha, like pullinga, strilinga, etad, same pratipadikam only. But the declension is for napumsakalinga. Therefore, pratama vibhakti ekavachanam is etat. Understand? Etat. Referring to that which are neuter gender. Yes, so there's a book. You want to say this is a book. Etat pustakam. Let us say. Etat pushpam. Pushpam is napumsakalinga.
Flower.
Napumsakalinga. Okay. Etat palam. So you will see it will come. This exercise is only to get familiarity with some words. Okay. More in detail we will see. This is to get familiarity. First, a familiarity is required. Then, if I say with the teach the same thing with the grammar, it will become more and more clear. Little familiarity. So that means that. Tat pustakam, that is a book. So we are going to use these 6 words only. Yeshaha saha. Yesha sa. Etat tat. You know the gender, right? Now, these pronouns will qualify the noun. In keeping with the gender of the noun, you have to use these words. Can we do this exercise?
Okay, Guruji.
Yes.
Try this now. Now, Kirtiji, please read.
Eshah balakah.
Translate, please.
Eshah balakah. This is boy.
This is a boy.
Boy, yeah.
So you know
And
Yeshaha is Etat
this.
Shabda Pullinga form, Yeshaha, right?
Yes.
Balaka is Balaka Shabda, like Rama Shabda, Balakaha, Balako, Balakaha. So Yeshaha Balakaha, right?
Right. Yes.
This is a boy. Why? The distance you can see, the hand symbol is there. So it is close, near.
Right.
That's what the hand symbols shows. Now the next one, on the right side you read.
Saha balakah.
That is a boy because there's a distance, right? You're referring to a
Oh.
person who is far away. Therefore, saha.
Oh.
That is what a symbol is. You
Okay.
see the distance, right? That is means tat shabda you have to use.
Ha.
Balaka is
Oh.
pullinga. Therefore, the noun, the pronoun, what qualifies is saha. It is ekavachan. Therefore, saha. Saha balakaha. That is a boy. Understand?
Okay, Guruji.
The same way, you can do the other sentences. Just read and translate.
Eshah simhah. This is a lion. Saha simhah.
Saha, not sahaha.
Oh, saha.
Hmm.
Saha simha.
Simha.
Simhah. Eshah vanarah. This is a monkey. Saha vanarah.
That is a monkey. Okay.
That is a monkey. Eshah gajah. This is an elephant. Saha Gajah, that is an elephant.
Okay. Next person, Deepika ji. Deepika ji.
Yes,
Yeah.
Guruji.
Yeah.
Eshaha balakaha. This is a boy. Saha vriddaha. That is an old man.
So Vriddha is a Pratipadika. Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
Vriddha. So Vriddaha, Vriddhau, Vriddhaha. Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Vriddha Shabdaha.
Ji, Guruji.
Vriddhaha, Vriddha, Vriddhaha. So Vriddha means old man. All the pronouns, whatever we are reading now,
Yes.
please remember, one person reading doesn't mean that person alone is reading. Everybody is reading and everybody understand the sentence. Okay, that is the intention behind I think the individual reading. I hope you understand that. So when the person read, you can note the nouns also. The nouns you need to remember. When we do translations later from English to Sanskritam, you need to have vocabulary. Without vocabulary, how will you do translation? So boy is Balaka, lion is Simha, then monkey is Vanara, elephant is Gajaha. These words you need to remember, all simple words. More words will come. The more and more come, you need to note it down, remember. The word for old man is Vrittaha. Okay.
Yes,
Not
Guruji.
just reading, you have to remember also.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, please continue.
Eshaha simhaha. This is a lion. Saha harinaha. That is a deer.
Dear Harinaha. Okay, continue.
Eshaha vanaraha. This is a monkey. Saha bhallukaha. That is a bear.
Ballukaha. Okay,
Bhallukaha.
okay. Then
Eshaha gajaha. This is an elephant. Saha ashwaha. That is a horse.
horse. Next person. Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Yeshaha Mayuraha. This is a peacock. Saha Supaha. That is the parrot.
Parrot. Mayuraha peacock. Yeah, Shuka is parrot. Continue.
Yeshaha Dandaha. This is the pen.
Not pen.
Saha.
Dandaha means stick. This is a stick.
Okay. Sir. Yeshaha Dandaha. This is the stick. Saha Vrikshaha. That is the tree.
That is a tree. Okay.
Tree.
So tree is what linga? Pullinga. You can know from this sentence itself. Vriksha is Pullinga. Danda is Pullinga. So Yeshaha Dandaha. Can you say Yesha Dandaha? Yes or no? Umaji.
Yesha.
Yesha Dandaha.
This is Pullinga, Guruji.
I'm
So,
asking you, Yesha Dandaha, can you say it or not? Yes or no?
No, Guruji, that is feminine.
Yes. Therefore, you cannot say Yesha Dandaha. Yeshaha Dandaha only.
Yes, Guruji, this is my master.
Dandaha, Danda is Pullinga, therefore you have to use Yeshaha only, not Yesha, not Etat. It has to match with Vachanam. Sorry, it has to match with in terms of Linga, Vibhakti, and Vachanam.
Okay.
Continue.
Yeshaha Bhikshukaha. This is the beggar.
Important thing. This the word beggar, Swamiji will never use this. Anyway, this is incidental information because it's a labeling word. So Swamiji avoids using words labeling a person. So instead of beggar, you will say the person given to begging. The words are very important. What words we use,
Okay.
it gives a lot. It talks about our attitude towards a person, and it should not be the word should not be a derogatory. So all those things very particular. Samaji, because
Okay.
this the words tell you, it gives you a lot of information. So Bhikshuka means as though the person is born by birth is a beggar. No, he is given to begging. Situation made him to beg. That's why he's a beggar. We can use the word beggar understanding this Anyway, this is incidental information. Bhikshakaha means this is person is beggar, that is given to begging. Okay, continue.
Okay, Guruji. Saha Nirupaha.
Nripaha, not
Ni-
Nripaha. Nripaha.
Okay, Guruji. Nirupaha, that is the king.
Okay.
Eshaha Chatraha. This is a student.
Male student, Chatraha. Okay.
Chatraha, student. Saha Adhyapakaha. That is the student.
Teacher, not student.
That is the teacher.
Adhyapaka is teacher, Chatra is student. Pullinga form.
Okay.
Next person, Parulji.
Thank you.
Sir.
You have to fill in the blank with the appropriate pronouns.
Okay, sir. Eshaha Palakaha. This is a boy. Saha Sinha. This is a lion.
That is a lie.
That is a lion.
Simhaha.
Sinha. Esha Vruddhaha.
Yeshaha Vriddha. Don't drop the visarga.
Eshaha Vruddhaha. This is an old man. Saha Taruna. That is
Tarunaha.
Tarunaha. Tarunaha.
Don't drop the visarga.
Yes, sir. Tarunaha. That is a young man. Esha Chashakaha.
Yeshaha Chashakaha.
Eshaha Chashakaha.
It is not Eshaha. It is not Eshaha. You cannot use Eshaha. Why?
Eshaha.
No, it is not Eshaha. See the screen.
Correct. It is Saha Chashakaha. That is
Yes.
a glass.
Hmm.
Eshaha Ghataha. This is a pot. Eshaha Minaha. This is a fish. Saha Makaraha. That is an alligator.
Okay. Next person, Prabhakar.
Saha Shukaha.
Shukaha.
Esha Shukaha. Sorry, Guruji. Shukaha. Eshaha Mayuraha. Eshaha Chandraha. Saha Suryaha. Saha Bidalaha. Eshaha Kukuraha.
Kukuraha. Remember, Kukuraha is dog. Vidalaha.
Dog of
Kukuraha.
Vidalaha Kukura. Eshaha Gajaha. Saha Mushukaha.
Mushakaha. Mushakaha.
Mushakaha.
Next person. Yajnapirai. Now Strilinga.
Yes.
Yesha Sa. Okay.
Mm.
Yesha is this. Sa is that same meaning only. But
Yes.
the form is different because Strilinga. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, read.
Yesha Balika. Sa Balika.
Yes. The word for boy is
Boy is Balakaha.
Balakaha. Okay. Continue.
Yesha Lata. Sa Lata.
Lata is creeper.
Yes, ji.
Kodi, creeper. Okay.
Yesha Shatika. Sa Shatika.
What is Shatika?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Yesha Mala. Sa Mala.
Mala is garland.
Yes.
Akoshi.
Isha Balika. Sa Vriddha.
Vriddha. What is Pullinga? Vriddha. Vriddha is Srilinga. Pullinga is?
Vriddha.
Okay. Continue.
Esha Lata. Sa Kalika
What is Kalika?
is the bud.
Kalika is bud. Okay, it's not a flower, it's a bud.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Esha Shatika. Sa Etika.
Petika.
Esha.
Petika is
Yeah.
box. Okay.
Esha Mala. Sa Devata.
Devata is Srilinga word. Sa Devata, that is, or she is God. Okay. Next person, Nilamji.
Esha Chhatra Sa Adhyapika.
What is the word, pulling a word for student? Chhatra is Srilinga. This is a girl student.
Yeah.
Male student,
Chhatraha.
Chhatraha. Similarly for teacher, Adhyapika is female teacher.
Yeah.
For
So
male teacher,
Adhyapakaha.
very good. Adhyapakaha. Very good.
Yeah.
Not Adhyapikaha. Adhyapakaha, Adhyapika. Remember that. Okay, continue.
Esha Patrika Sa Pustika.
Patrika means magazine
Yeah.
or paper. Pustika is book.
Book. Yes. Esha Pathshala Sa Goshala.
Patashala is
Pathshala is school.
school. Yeah.
Gaushala. Yeah.
Gosh.
Vidya.
Vidyalayaha is Pullinga. Vidyalaya. Patashala is Strilinga. Vidya Alaya. Alaya means the place. Could be Vidyalaya, Devalaya, Mandiralaya, Shauchalaya. Shauchalaya means toilet. Alaya means the place. So Vidyalaya is school. Pullinga. Patashala is Strilinga. That also means school only. Okay.
Esha Makshika Sa Pipilika.
Makshika is fly.
Fly.
Pipilika is ant.
And
Small creature, big name. Next one. Akanksha ji.
जी गुरुजी. एषा सरस्वती सा पार्वती. एषा जननी सा भगिनी.
Janani is mother. Bhagini is sister.
Sister.
Sister, just sister. Younger sister or elder sister not given. Just sister. Sa Bhagini. You can remember. Janani, Bhagini, then
एषा लेखनी
this is pen. Lekhani is pen.
सा अंकनी.
Ankani is
पेंसिल.
pencil.
एषा घटी सा कर्तरी. एषा दर्वी. Darvi means spoons.
Dar-
Huh?
Darvi is ladle or spoon. Okay.
Okay.
Not spoon means not with which you eat. That is
Mm-hmm.
Chamasaha is a spoon. That is Pullinga. Chamasaha. This is ladle. Darvi. That what you use for cooking.
Serving.
You want to put salt or you want, right? You have to use that ladle, right? That's called
Yes.
ladle. Darvi. Or in the yajna they use for offering ghee to the Agni. That is Darvi. Then, okay.
सा चालनी.
Chalani is seed. Salad. In Tamil it is salad. Seed. Okay, Chalani. So Darvi, Chalani. Right? Okay. Next person. Who's the next person?
Is it
Kirti.
me? Good.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Riktastanani purayantu. That Riktastanani, fill in the blanks. So you have to fill in the blank with the appropriate pronoun. Yes.
Okay. Esha Lata
Meaning?
Asia, this is a creeper.
Okay.
Sa Balika, that is a girl. Asia Petika, this is a box. Sa Shatika, that is a sari. Sa Lekhani, that's a pen. Asia Ankani, this is a pencil. Sa Churika, I'm sorry, this is Asia. Is it Asia?
Asia.
Asia Churika, this is a knife. Sa Chalani, that's a sieve.
Yes. Deepika ji.
Esha Kartari. Sa Vellani.
Velani is a roller. What you use for making chapatis and all. Velani.
Yes, very good.
Okay.
Esha Mala. Sa Lata.
Lata. You have to say
Lata.
Mala. Lata.
Mala Lata. Esha Ghati. Sa Dvichakrika.
Dvichakrika. Dvi means two. Chakrika is the wheel. Two-wheeler. It means cycle.
Oh, okay. Esha Adhyapika.
Not Asia.
Oh,
See
sorry.
this?
Sa Adhyapika. Esha Chhatra.
Good. Next person. Umaji. Now, Napumsakalinga, etat, tat, shabda. Okay, we are going to see Napumsakalinga. So read carefully. Yes, read.
Okay, Guruji. Etat phalam.
Palam. Palam is fruit. That is Pala is Napumsakalinga word. Pala is a Pratipadika. That is also like the Rama we say Akaranta. This is also Akaranta only. Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Phala Shabdaha. Pala when you decline. Palam is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of Phala Shabda. Okay. So Palam, Etat Palam, this is a fruit. Etat is the demonstrative pronoun. The Pratipadikam is Etad. Takarantaha Napumsakalingaha Etad Shabdaha. Etat is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam and qualifying Pala, which is also Napumsakalinga, same vibhakti, same vachanam that we know. Etat Palam.
Okay.
Okay. Please read.
Akarantaha.
That's okay, not required. Etat Palam, it's enough.
Etat phalam. Tad phalau.
Why Tat Palav? Tat is Ekavachanam only. Why Palav suddenly came?
Phalau is this the two mangoes.
Where are two mangoes? In the screen, two mangoes are there.
No, it is only one mango. Phalam. Okay. Tad phalam.
Tat Palam only. Why Palav? Tat is Ekavachanam.
Okay.
And Palav, there is no Palav. The word Palav is not there.
Okay. Sorry.
Is it like Pullinga Shabda? I never said it is declined like Pullinga Shabda. I said the Pratipadikam is Akaranta Shabda. That's what I said. Pala is a Pratipadikam. Akarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Pala Shabdaha only I said. That Pratama Vibhakti is Palam. I didn't say what is Dvitiya Vibhakti, what is the Dvivachanam and what Bhagavachanam, I didn't say at all. How you said Palav? Everything is like Rama Shabda. Rama Shabda is Pullinga. Pala is Napumsakalinga. The declension will not be same.
Okay.
And also, Tat is Ekavachanam. Tat Palam only. That is what we are doing. Only Ekavachanam words only we are saying. There is no Dvivachanam in this exercise at all.
Okay. Sorry.
Yes. Read. Please read.
Etat vimanam. Tad vimanam. Etat Vyajanam. Tad Vyajanam.
Vajanam is fan. Okay.
Etat duktam. Tad duktam.
This is milk. That is milk. The next person, Parulji.
Etat phalam. Tat pushpam.
Pushpam is flower. That is a flower.
That is a flower. Etat vimanam. That this is a plane, aeroplane. Tat lokyanam.
Lokayanam.
Lokayanam. That is a bus. Etat vyajjanam. This is a fan. Tat bhavanam. That is a building,
Bangla.
bangla. Etat dugdham. This is a milk. Tat jalama.
Jalama.
That is jalama. That
Jalama.
is a
Read again.
jalam.
Hmm.
That is
After
a,
so many classes, you should correct that. You should not continue the same mistake.
sorry, sir. Tat jalam.
You can do some new mistake when you, for a new thing what you learn, but not the same old mistake. No, you have grown out of the old mistakes.
Yes, sir.
Prabhakarji.
Yes, Guruji.
Wrong.
Etat netram. This is an eye. Tat upanetram. That is a glass or a spectacles.
Spectacle.
Guruji. Etat vatayanam. This is a window. Tat sopayanam. Sopananam. Sopanam. Sorry, Guruji. Let me try this. Tat sopanam.
Yes, sopanam. Sopanam means steps.
Steps. Okay.
Yeah.
Etat graham.
Griham.
Graham. Griham. Etat griham. This is a house. Tat udyanam. That is a garden. Etat varnam. This is a leaf. Tat sasyam.
Sasyam.
And
That's a crop.
Crop. Okay.
Crop, grain. That's sasyam. Okay. Back to Yajna Priyaji. Ruktastanani purayantu. Whatever you read so far, now exercise. You have to fill in the blank. Yes.
Etad vimanam. Tad relayanam. Tad vatayanam. Etad vyajanam. Etad griham. Tad mandiram. Tad pushpam. Etad parnam.
Okay. This Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, all these words we have read. It's not something which we don't know. We have read. Where did we read this? The file, the first file, what I sent you, with the aksharas, the varnas, whatever we learned, right? The first file. If you can check the document, the last page of the first file, Samskrita Sulabha Patanam, that first book is there, what I sent you.
Yes, Ji, we have.
Yes, Guru.
You remember?
Yes.
You have.
Yeah.
Go to the last page of that document. Lot of words are given for reading practice as well as it's a long list, vocabulary list is given. Appendix 1 is there, long list is given. And also you will see the words in Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. This you will see it is there.
Okay, Guruji.
Okay.
So you can use this Eshaha, Eshat, Etat. Similarly, Saha, Sa, Tat, and write sentences, as many sentences as possible. This is a document I sent you long back. Don't ask me to send again. Once the document is sent, please download it and keep it and save it in your file.
Yes, Guruji.
Save it in your pen drive or in the laptop. Okay, the document I sent and then document what we are reading, the Word document, the second document, that also already I sent. Please check. Please
Yes,
check the
Guruji.
group already has
Yes,
sent those
yes, we have got
documents.
it.
Yeah. Please save the document. Okay. Go through the document again and again. These are the words which we read long back when we learned the reading words that time, reading practice when we did. So that time we saw all these words. These are masculine gender words. Ajaha, Ajagaraha, Ashvaha, Adhyapakaha, Anandaha. So you can use Yeshaha, Ajaha, Saha, Ajaha. You can write sentences like that. Practice writing. These are masculine words. Writing this will help you to develop the vocabulary, writing and translation. Similar, it's a big homework, but you can do. The beginning you have to do. Then similarly, here it is Sri Lanka words. All are Sri Lanka words. You can see Javanika, Jukhva, Chullika, Churika, all are Sri Lanka words. So you can write Esha Shatika, Esha Suta, Esha Haimika iti. Then neuter gender words. Asanam, Abharanam, Alukam, Amrapalam, all are neuter gender words. Napumsakalinga. So Etat Asanam, Tat Asanam, Etat Abharanam, Tat Abharanam. So like that you can write as many sentences. Okay.
Sharanji, just one question. Here in neutral nouns, we can see that, last word is end with ma, the
Makara,
halantama.
not ma.
Makara, sorry.
Makara,
Yeah, makara, yeah. So is that for all neutral words, this is how it follows?
You cannot say all neutral word, depends on the ending of the Pratipadika. If you take, for example, Asanam, Pratipadikam is Asana, Akarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Asana Shaktaha, and when you decline, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana form will be Asanam. Okay. You wait for another few minutes, I'll tell you that. Okay.
Okay.
So this is done. Okay, then the next one. Next person, Akoshi. Please read the continue the
Yes.
exercise. Yeah.
Etat Udyanam Tat Sopanam Tat Upanetram Etat Chatram.
Chatram is umbrella. Chatra is student. Okay. Don't mix
Yes.
up. Yes.
Etat Pustakam.
Pustakam is Napumsakalinga. Pustika.
Oh, sorry. So in this way is.
No. Listen. It's okay. Listen to me. Pustakam is book. It is Napumsakalinga word. Pustika is another word for book, which is Strilinga. So a word, an object can have a object or a thing, or you can have a word in other, many genders also. For the same thing, there can be words in other gender also. So Pustakam is Napumsakalinga form of the Pratipadikam. Pustaka. Pustika is Strilinga. Pratipadikam is Pustika, and the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam also Pustika only. Okay. So that is also means book. Yes, continue.
So Esha Pustakam.
Esha Pustakam. It's a new thing, sir. What is it, Esha?
No,
what is Pustakam?
Pustakam is the Napumsakalinga word for book. So in this case, it will be Etat Pustakam.
Then why did you say Esha Pustakam?
No, it's because of the.
We are doing only Napumsakalinga.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Continue.
Tat Kridanakam.
Read properly.
Kridanakam.
Kridanakam. You need to improve your reading. Okay. Not yet. Okay, continue.
That is toy.
Okay.
Tat netram. That is an eye. Etat patram.
This is a paper.
Paper.
Okay, next person, Nilamji. Now listen. This exercise, all the things will come. Think and fill up the blank. Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga, you have to know and fill up. How do you know? By the proper noun. By the
Yeah.
proper noun, you know what linga is and use appropriate pronoun. That is the exercise. Okay,
Yeah. Saha balakah
good.
etat gruham.
Graham, okay.
Esha samadarvi.
Very good, yes.
Okay. Saha pathshala.
Really, Saha. Think the word, by reading the word, you can understand what gender is. That is what we have done so far.
Yeah, sorry. Sa pathshala.
Sa Patashala. Why it is not Saha Patashala? Tell me.
Pathshala. Shala is Strilinga.
Where did we see? We saw this, remember?
Yeah. I just forgot. Sorry.
In the beginning, I said the words Pratipadikam ending with a long vowel, generally it will be Strilinga.
Strilinga. Yeah.
Yeah. So, and also, if it is Pullinga, what will be the form? Pullinga Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. So, Patashalaha, Patashalo, Patashalaha. If at all, if it is there, it is not there. I'm saying that there is no word Patashalaha, Patashalaha, Patashalo, Patashalaha, not there. Here, Patashala is there, therefore it cannot be Pullinga, right?
Right.
But it must be Srilinga.
Yes.
Read the word. When you read the word, if it ends with a long vowel, it is Pullinga, Srilinga.
Strilinga. Yeah.
And if the Makara is there, for time being and at the end, you can remember that is Napumsakalinga. Okay.
Etat dugdham. Esha nadi.
Good. Okay.
Esha chhatra. Tat parnam.
Good. I hope all of you understand this.
Yes.
So this is
Yes.
exercise.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah, Neelamji did this different using different nouns. It means it's everybody is doing. Okay, not only Neelamji, not only one particular person. So everybody understand this, right?
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. So using, even you have to use appropriate pronouns. Okay. So for that you should know the linga of the proper noun. That we know by seeing the word we can make out. Balakaha is there. Balaka is pullinga. Balika ending with long vowel. Therefore Srilinga. Pustakam ending with makara. Therefore Napumsakalinga. So Yeshaha Balakaha. Yesha Balika. Etat Pustakam. Similarly, Saha Balakaha. Sa Balika. Saha Balakaha. Sa Balika. Tat Pustakam iti. Right? So then Janantu Balakaha Vriddaha. Okay, the next person can read. Akankshaji, just reading. Janantu means please know what Pullinga Shabda, Srilinga Shabda, Napumsakalinga Shabdas are given. You can read or you can use a pronoun also, your choice. Any pronoun.
Yes, sir. Eshah balakah sah vruddhah eshah simhah sah harinah sah vanarah eshah bhallukah sah gajah eshah vrukshah.
Good. Next person. Kirtiji. Next to the right side column.
Okay, Guruji. Balika. You want me to use the pronoun and say Balika?
Yeah, pronoun. Any pronoun.
Yeah.
Esha or sa.
Okay. Esha Balika. Esha Vriddha. Esha Lata. Esha Kalika. Esha Aja. Esha Mala. Esha Mayuri. Esha Nadi.
Next person, Deepika ji. Napumsakalinga Shabdaha.
जी गुरुजी। एतत् फलं तत् पुष्पम् एतत् विमानं तत् यानम् एतत् व्यजनं तत् जलं तत् दुग्धम् एतत् भवनं तत् गृहम् एतत् उद्यानम्।
Very good. Okay. Now, any doubt you have? Anybody having any doubt? Please ask.
No, Guruji.
Guruji, I have a
Yes.
I have a general doubt. I'm still not too comfortable with this grammar, but how do you classify masculine and feminine other than the common words like Patashala and Vidyalaya? What are the key things we need to look for to identify? So that it becomes easier and also kind of
No, you cannot
helps
know.
me.
You cannot know like that. You cannot know like that. That is a. You have to know the gender. How do you know the meaning of the word? By seeing the word, you know the meaning. By hearing the word, you know the meaning.
No.
Similarly, you have to refer the dictionary. Similarly, you have to know the meaning as well as gender in Sanskrit. Not only the meaning.
Oh.
The meaning alone is not sufficient. You have to know the gender also. Then the word is there ending with what letter it ends with. Depending on that, the declension will change. If it is akaranta, say for example, Srilinga, the declension is different. If it is ikaranta, declension is different. The same thing with Ramashabda, Arishabda, declensions are different. So first we have to know the word and the gender of the word and the meaning also. Then its declension is different. This is how it is. To start with, I said, feminine words, Pratipadikam, the noun basis, ending with long vowels.
Okay.
That you can take that as a base now.
Okay.
And the Napumsakalinga words, the form we will see in Pratama, Pratama Vibhakti, you will see ending with Makara, like Palam, Vimanam, all those, that Shakatam, right? All the words, whatever you read. So all these words ending with Makara. So it's Napumsakalinga.
Okay.
Start with, you have to know like this. Later, when you become familiar with the language, you know what it is.
Okay.
You know what it is. So, do you speak Hindi or which language you speak? Hindi?
No, Guruji. Actually, it's mostly Hindi, English. I've been living in US for almost 3 decades.
What's your mother tongue? Oh, in
Kannada.
English. Okay.
Kannada.
In Kannada, it's like, I think, you speak Kannada also, right?
Yes.
In Kannada, like in Sanskritam, we have 4 kakara, kha, kha, gha, gha. Yes.
Yes.
Similarly, cha, cha, ja, ja. Now, how do you know which letter to use? That familiarity, right? You know the word. This is same thing in Sanskritam also. You don't have problem in using which word, 4 chakara, 4 kakara is there. You don't have problem. You use the word, the letter. Similarly, in Sanskritam also, over a period of time, you will become familiar with the words. Okay. Any language is a matter of familiarity. For a child, it is not a problem because from the child from the day it starts listening, it listens and speaks, so it doesn't do mistake. I mean, it becomes slowly. See, it learns, but it doesn't do grammar and then learn the language. It learns just hearing and repeating what the mother says. The child pick up. But now we are learning something new. Therefore, we get all these. But we never ask as a child what gender is that when you learn any language, right?
Very true. Very true.
But now when that is the problem is when you grow up, we ask all these questions. As a
We
child,
start
we never
analyzing.
ask.
We start analyzing.
That's why in the young age it is easy to learn languages, any language, many languages. That's why the government want to introduce 3 or 4 languages, but there are some idiotic people, they don't want to introduce. the right time to learn as many languages as possible, the young age.
Yes.
Because the
Right.
brain, because the learning, it happens, and the child, just listening, it repeats. When you grow up, you ask questions. All these things will come up. Oh, why this? Why that? It's very difficult to teach the grown up compared to the child.
Yes. Yes.
Because we ask a lot of questions. We think. We start thinking. Sometimes thinking becomes a problem also.
Yes.
Thinking
Yeah, very
too much thinking because of it. So we have to convince. This is how it is.
Yeah.
Then this is my experience. Then that it's not convincing, it will become an obstacle to go further. Why it is? We get stuck there. Don't get stuck there. It will, in the course of time, when you become familiar with the language, you will learn it. You will know what it is. You will automatically know that seeing the word, you know what gender is. You will guess it. You will never make the mistake of taking the word vriksha to be a napumsakalinga. Because the form is vrikshaha, and you have read it somewhere, and you know it by hearing it, vrikshaha. Therefore, it is, even though vrikshaha meaning tree, in English it is neutral gender, but in Sanskritam, it is pullinga. Because you have used the word, you are familiar with the word. But that familiarity, right? That is why we are doing reading practice, doing a lot of exercise, abhyasa. It's only a matter of abhyasa. For the words which you don't know, you have to refer the dictionary. Or if you want to say technically, there is a text called Linga Anushasanam. Linga Anushasanam, written by Panini Maharishi, one of the Grantha written by Panini Maharishi. There he has mentioned the words and the gender. Okay. Panini Maharishi written his books. He written 5 books, not only 5, but they are called Upadesha. He has written sutras for the language. All the grammar for the language is covered in 4,000 sutras. Learning all these are advanced Sanskrit. That also, I teach a batch of students, advanced Sanskritam, their Panini Sutras. You'll see that in the other YouTube channel, Advanced Sanskritam, the whole language is covered in the 4,000 Sutra. Then that's called Ashtadhyayi. Then another Grantha is called Dhatupata. All the verbs are listed. There are about 2,000 Dhatus in Sanskritam. Then there is another work called Ganapata. The Shabdas are classified into groups. Then Linga Anushasanam is another one. Then Unadi Sutra, that is also another Sutra Pata, written by Panini Maharishi. These 5 Granthas are required for studying Sanskritam. When you learn further advanced, I'm saying. Okay. So, the Linga, the gender of the word is known from the text called Linga Anushasanam. That is one thing. Or dictionary is best. In Sanskrit dictionary, if you see, you will see the meaning of the word, and within bracket, you will give it is F means feminine, M means masculine, and N means neuter gender. If you see the Sanskrit English dictionary, so you will mention that. Okay. If you have Sanskrit dictionary, I will show it to you. Just a minute. There are many online Sanskrit dictionaries that are available. Okay. You can mark this. This is one of the good website where the okay, just a minute. spokensanskrit.org.
Okay.
There you will find the meaning of the word, and the gender also. But when you use this, you have to use it carefully, because the word will have many meanings. The popular meaning you have to take. This is can you see the screen?
Yes, correct.
I will copy the link. I will copy this and send it to you. Now, let us say you want to know the meaning of the word, the Sanskrit word for the tree. So tree, you type it, right? Tree, you type it on the left hand side. You get all this thing. Click tree. Then the word will appear. So many words are there for tree. Dhru is also meaning tree. M means masculine.
Okay.
Taru also meaning tree. Taru is also masculine. Taru is like Ukaranta Shabda. Taruhu taru, taravaha, guruhu guru, guravaha.
Okay.
Ambra is mango. You say mango tree, okay. Ambra vriksha or ambra taru, you have to say. So the common word most often we use that word is vriksha. Vriksha means tree. Chuta also means mango. Chuta vriksha means mango tree. Ambra vriksha is mango tree. So the kuja, naga, all these words, druma, valk, druma, all these meaning tree, but the most popular word is vriksha. So you can use its dictionary, but you have to know which is a popular one. Okay. So gulma means cluster. It's called gulma. So you can see in this, the second column gives you the gender, and the ADJ adjective. Adjective means it can be declined in all the genders. It can be declined in all the genders depending on what it qualifies. Suppose if we are using the word intelligent, chaturaha, chaturaha balaha, intelligent boy. If it is Srilinga, chatura balika. The same chatura, depending on what it qualifies, take that gender. Those are adjectives. So ADJ adjectives. So this is a good one. You can note this, spokensanskrit.org. I just copy the link and send it to you. And I sent you the Rashtriya Samskrita Samsthan book. You can see in your WhatsApp. Just now I sent what you read now, the exercise. First 50 pages are there in that. So we are going to read that. Already we have covered some 30 pages. The balance we will continue. So you can download the book and do exercises. I sent you both the website, the Sanskrit dictionary for spoken Sanskrit.
Yes, Guruji.
Thank you, Guru.
For that. Now, you understand now?
Yes.
So the book is available anywhere in the bookstore?
Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthan, you can ask them, you can write to them. I think they will send you. Yes.
Rashtriya. Okay.
There are many volumes are there. You can buy all the volumes. If you have, when you are sure about studying Sanskritam, buy all the volumes. Some 5-6 volumes are there.
Okay.
You can buy all the books. It's very useful. Okay. Now the next exercise. So Kirti, do you understand what I said?
Yes, Guruji. Yeah, I'll keep practicing.
Yes. And when you read more and more words, then naturally you will become familiar with the language and you know what gender is.
Right.
Yes. The next one. So who was the last person read this?
I just read.
Neelamji.
Yeah.
Okay. After Neelamji, who is the next person? Akankshaji.
Yes, Guru.
Yeah. Please read.
Etat mandiram.
Yes.
Esha balika. Etat phalam. Etat pushpam. Eshaha vanaraha. Esha mahishi. Eshaha bhallukaha. Etat bhavanam. Eshaha vyagraha. Etat pustakam.
Good. Next person, Kirtiji.
Yes, Guruji. Eshah simhah. Esha adhyapika. Eshah balakah. Esha chhatra. Eshah vriddah.
Now you can use sa for this right hand side column.
Okay. Sa mandiram.
No. I said sa means sa is only upalakshana. It is strilinga. You have to use appropriate pronoun. Saha sa tat.
Okay. Tat mandiram.
Yes.
Okay. Sa balika. Tat phalam. and tat pushpam, eshah vanarah,
Why this Yeshaha? That.
that is a monkey.
Yeah, that is a monkey. But Yeshaha you are using. Yeshaha is this is a monkey.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Therefore,
Saha.
Saha. Saha
Saha
Vanaraha.
Saha vanarah.
Saha Sa Tat. Among the three, you have to use the right one depending on the proper noun.
Okay.
Next person.
Saha.
Deepika ji. It's okay. Saha Vanaraha, then Deepika ji. Next person.
Yes. Sa Mahishi Saha Bhallukah.
How do you know it is Sa Magishi?
Mahishi is a of goddess. That is
No. How do you know it is Sri Lanka? Magishi is there. How do you know it is Sri Lanka?
because
Why?
Ikaranta is there.
That's it. That's called. That's what familiarity. Okay. That's how you get familiarity. You know, reading the word, you know, it is. You can guess it's Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga. It cannot be
Yes.
Pullinga. It cannot be Napumsakalinga. Magishi ending with a long word. Therefore, it is Srilinga.
Yes.
Yes.
Saha Bhallukah Tat Bhavanam Saha Vyagraha Tat Pustakam Saha Simhaha Sa Adhyapika Saha Balakah Sa Chhatra Saha Vriddhah.
Okay. Next person. Next person is Deepika ji. Umaji. I have sent you this book. Please do all the exercises again. Yeah. Okay. If you can take a printout, okay. Otherwise, you can buy a book also, okay. Do all the exercises.
Yes,
Yes, Umaji,
Yes, Guru.
you can use a word. Yeshaha, Yesha, Yetat. On the left hand side, you can see the words Suryaha, Pustakam and all. Use Yeshaha, Yesha, Yetat in keeping with the proper noun. Yes.
Okay. Yeshaha Suryaha. Etat Nadi.
Yetat Nadi. Really? How can be Yetat Nadi? Yetat is what gender? Nadi what gender?
Sorry.
Hmm.
Yesha Nadi.
Yesha Nadi. Yeshaha, Yesha, Yetat. Three words you can remember. It's not difficult to remember. Simple words. And read the proper noun. Use appropriate pronoun. Yes.
Okay. Yesha Sarika.
Good.
Etat Lekani.
Etat Lekani. Think and read.
Yesha Lekani.
Lekani ending with Ikaranta.
Okay.
Esha Lekhani. Okay. Then.
Yesha Lata.
Okay.
Yeshaha Vrikshaha.
Good.
Etat Patram.
Okay. Continue.
Etat Pustakam. Etat Vastram. Etat Nakshatram. Yeshaha Vrikshaha.
Vrishabhaha. It is.
Vrikshaha. Vrishabhaha.
Bull.
Yeshaha Varunaha. Etat Phalam.
It is phalam, not phalam. Fa is not there in Sanskrit. Okay.
Phalam.
It is phalam.
Phalam.
Okay. Yeah.
Etat phalam. Etat chitram. Etat vyanjanam.
Vyanjanam. I hope you all of you know the meaning of words. Suryaha is
Sun.
Pustakam.
Book.
Nadi.
River.
Vastram.
Cloth.
Sarika.
Sari.
River.
No. Shatika is sari, not sarika. Sarika is a type of plant. Okay. So you can take it as a plant. Sarika.
Okay.
Sarika is plant. Okay. Next one. Nakshatram.
Star.
Lekhani. Pencil is Ankani. Okay. Vrikshabaha.
Pen.
Bull.
Bull.
Lata.
Creeper.
Creeper.
Varunaha.
Wind.
Varunaha.
Rain.
Mount.
Varunaha, rain. The name or name of the person. Varuna Bhagavan name.
Okay.
Vrikshaha.
Tree.
Tree.
Phalam.
Fruit.
Fruit.
Patram.
Letter.
Letter.
Patram is paper. Or letter. Letter also you can say, yes. Patrika is paper, magazine. Chitram.
Picture.
Picture.
Vyajanam.
Pen.
Okay. Next person, Parulji. You can read the on the right hand side. Use the word
Okay.
saha sa tat.
Tat.
Remember and
Saha.
use properly. Yes.
Okay. Saha Chandraha. Tat Jalam. Saha Mrugaha. Sa Pustika. Saha Vrukshaha. Tat Purnam.
Parnam.
Parnam. Sa Lekhani. Saha Lekhika.
Really? Saha lekika.
No, sorry. Sa Lekhika. Correct, sir?
Yes.
Tat Shariram. Saha Akashaha. Saha Ashvaha. Saha Yamaha. Tat Pushpam. Saha Padaraksha.
No.
Padaraksha. Sa Padaraksha.
Yes.
Saha Deepaha.
Yes. Chandraha. What is the meaning?
Chandra is moon.
Lekika.
Writer.
Female writer. Lekika.
Female.
Yes.
Lekhaka is male writer. Jalam.
Water.
Water.
Shariram.
Body.
Body.
Mrigaha.
Animal.
Animal. Deer or animal.
Deer.
Akashaha.
Sky.
Sky.
Pustika.
Space.
Book.
Book.
Ashvaha.
Horse.
Horse.
Vrikshaha.
Tree.
Tree.
Yamaha.
That's
Maharaj.
No.
No.
God of that.
God of that.
Yama is Yamadharmaraja. Okay. Yamaha. Parnam.
Parnam.
Leaf.
Pushpam.
Flower.
Flower.
Our.
Lekhani.
Pen.
And
Padaraksha.
Shoes.
Footwear.
Slipper.
Footwear. Yeah.
Footwear. Deepaha.
Light.
Lamp.
Lamp.
Okay. Now, this is what he is asking you to write here. Already we have done that. Okay. Then you can do the exercise. Now here, this exercise you can take it as a homework and do. Okay.
Yes.
This one, yes, 1, 5, 6, 8. Anyway, whatever maybe it's we are not interested in that. You can just fill in the blank with the Eshaha, Esha, or Etat. Then similarly, Saha, Satat. You can fill in the blank and know the meaning. Okay. That is okay. That you can fill up. That is your choice. Then comes the Kaha Ka. That I think we will do it in the next class. So the next class will continue. So this page, the PDF file, page number 38, you can take it as a homework. I'll do one thing. Palam is there. You can fill in the blank with Etat Palam or Tat Palam. Any pronoun you can use. So like that, you form sentences. For this 30 lines sentences you can make. You can take this as a homework. Okay. Now, before we end the class, let us learn new Shabda. Okay. You can please repeat after me. Akarantaha Pullingaha Rama Shabdaha.
Akarantaha Pullingaha Rama
Shabda.
Ramaha Ramo Ramaha.
Ramaha Ramo Ramaha.
Ramam Ramo Raman.
Ramam Ramo Raman.
Raman.
रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः
रामेण
रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः रामस्य रामयोगो रामाणाम् रामे रामयोगो रामेषु हे राम हे रामौ हे रामाः Please chant the Shabda every day, even though you know, but keep chanting it. Next is Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda that we will learn later. I'll teach a simple Shabda and give you homework that you can try. What is that simple Shabda? Phala Shabda. You can repeat after me. Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Phala Shabdaha. Phalam phale phalani. Phalam ekavachanam. Phale dvivachanam. 2 fruits phale. Phalani
Many
fruits.
Then Dvitiya Vibhakti also same form. Phalam phale phalani. Then Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, it is same like the Rama Shabda. Very easy. Very easy Shabda. So what you have to know is, you have to know only the 3 words. Phalam phale phalani. That's all. If you know the Shabda. Ramena visa. So phalena. Ramabhyam phalabhyam. Ramehi phalaihi. Everything is same as Rama Shabda. You will not have any difficulty. Okay, you can repeat now. Phalena phalabhyam phalaihi. Phalaya phalabhyam phalebhyah. Phalat phalabhyam phalebhyah. Phalasya phalayogo phalanam. Phale phalayogo phaleshu. He phala he phale he phalani. Okay, this is your homework. What you can take the neuter gender. This file is there. You can check in the document. Okay, I just copy paste on some of these words. You can try to decline, at least take 5 Shabda from this list. You can decline in Napumsakalinga. I sent you through WhatsApp. The words are, it's all, you can see it is not properly arranged. That doesn't matter. So you can take these words and decline in Napumsakalinga. The Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is given in the WhatsApp. You can see all the words Asanam, Abharanam, all these are Pratama Vibhakti. Pratipadikam is Asana. Remember that. Pratipadikam is
Asana.
You can see Asana is a Pratipadikam. Pratama Vibhakti is Asanam. Abharana is a Pratipadikam. Pratama Vibhakti is Abharanam. Aluka is Pratipadikam. Aluka means potato. When decline Pratama Vibhakti, Alukam, Aluke, Alukani. So as these words sent you again, the WhatsApp you can see. Take it as a homework. Please decline the Phala Shabda. Okay, with this we'll stop today.
Sir, you will
Yeah, tell me.
you will give the chart, no, that phalam, phali, phalan, that.
It is there. See the WhatsApp.
Okay,
I sent you now.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. I sent you many documents. You can see 1, 2, and 2 documents I sent.
Three.
Dhanyavadah Guruji.
Thank you.
Dhanyavad,
Thank you so
Guruji.
much.
Dhanyavada Guruji.
Dhanyavad.
Namaste. Dhanyavadah,
Dhanyavad.
Guruji.